Wow!
Hanging,
Hanging
with the Alvarados. All right, Zyla, you ready for your next school activity?
Yeah.
Okay, let's wash up. All right, I'm gonna get it. Okay, so this week in school, we are studying the letter
A.
A. Very good. So next, for arts and crafts, here's what we're gonna do. Can you move Ellie, please? Excuse me, Ellie. I have some red tissue paper, some glue, and look, this is a picture of an
Apple.
apple. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. Can I show you? Yeah, put a little bit of glue on the tissue paper, like that. And then you stick this onto the paper like this.
That's more.
That's so cool. And you can even crumple it. Like that. Look, you can add some glue to that and stick it on too, okay? So add some glue, just a little bit, okay? A little bit goes a long way. There you go. Look at you go, Zyla. Making some progress. What is this?
Go.
Some glue? Okay.
Uh-oh. Machine gun.
Here, you can wipe it on this. Awesome. Where should we put that one?
I'm gonna put it here.
Awesome. All right, here's the final product of Zyla's apple. Nice job, Zyla. Do you think we should hang it up?
Okay.
Let's do it. It's beautiful. Do you like it? Ellie, do you like Zyla's artwork?
Actually, that.
Beautiful. Zyla came out here and brought me this tutu and wanted to put it on. Let's go in your room and do some ballet. Come on. All right. Can I see you do grand plie? How do you do grand plie? Wow. Oh, now you're just crawling. Oh, wow. How do you do an arabesque? I think we have to stand up for an arabesque, silly.
I'm sorry.
Okay, can you show me arabesque? Beautiful. And how about passe? Let's see passe. Wow, Zyla, high five. Oh my goodness, your ballet is beautiful. Show them your froggy. Ribbit, ribbit. Wow, nice hopping. Bye. Have a great day. Say bye, Zyla.
Bye, Saya. Upside down.
Oh, it's upside down, honey.
Upside
There
down.
you go, the feet. Those are the feet. There
My
you go.
feet.
Yeah, you have feet too.
This is a feet.
So if those are the legs, they go on the bottom, right there.
Wait.
There you go. Nice, Zyla.
Oh, no. This one. Yeah.
Yeah, you did it. Nice
Let
job.
me put it back.
Okay, let's put it back and let's take all the pieces out and put them back in their box. You did a great job cleaning up. Thank you for your help. What song are you singing, baby?
Can I have
Okay, yeah. You're doing No Matter Where You Are?
it?
Okay, ready? I will stay by you. Oh. And I won't let you fall. I won't let you go. Nice, Zai. Splash.
Is it open?
You want me to open it? Okay. Okay, here you go.
So the weather out here in LA got randomly hot.
It's like 80 degrees today.
80 degrees today in January. It's winter. I'm not mad about it. So we decided to have a little beach day. Sila, say hi. Just snacking away.
It's a perfect overdub song.
What you eating? What are you eating? String cheese.
We've been seeing people.
Hi, Zyla. Happy dance. Happy dance, dance. All right, Zy. Is that a really big wave? Look at this wave. Whoa. Here comes another one. Whoa.
We see him, guys. We see.
Yeah. Go, 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 go.
What helps you feel calm?
You want some help?
Yeah.